All right, so we're going to try the exercises, finding the area of each of these, either the rhombus or the kite. This first one is what is it? Do you know what it is? Is it a rhombus or a kite? It's a kite. All right, so let's see here. So we've got, it's supposed to be diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So notice this one, they didn't give us the diagonal as one number. They said this is 20 inches. So diagonal 1 would be 40 inches. Okay. Diagonal 2, 56 plus 26. Let's see, that'd be 82, I think. And 1/2. 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Calculator here. 0.5 times diagonal 1, 40, times diagonal 2 is 1,640. So we get 1,640 inches squared for the area of this first one. The second one, this is do you know what it is? Is it a rhombus or a kite? Well, it's a rhombus. All right, so this is 10, and this little line here means this is the same. So this diagonal going across this way, 10 and 10 makes 20. This diagonal going across this way, it's got 2 lines there, 2 lines there. That means those are equal to each other. So 20 and 20 makes 40, and times 1/2. So the formula for the area of a rhombus, 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So 0.5 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, 400. And this is centimeters, so it'd be centimeters squared. The third one, this is a kite because two of them are the same length, right? This is the same as this, and this one's obviously longer. That would be a kite. Diagonal 1 would be 24 plus 24, which is 48. Diagonal 2, 18 plus 10, 28. So 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, 0.5 times 48 times 28, 672. And it'd be feet squared. All right, let's go ahead and do the next 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a rhombus because all 4 sides are equal, but notice if these are also right angles, which it doesn't show that, but we could know that because of this would also be a square. So a rhombus, a square is a rhombus. Let me put it that way. A square is a type of a rhombus. All right, but that's not important for what we're doing. So 13, this is also 13 because there's 2 lines there. So this diagonal would be 13 plus 13, which is 26. These are the same length as both of these. So this one would also be 26. And so 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So 0.5 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 is 338. Oops. 338 centimeters squared. Okay, there's that one. Next one here, I don't know why it does that sometimes. 7 and 7 makes 14. These are the same. And if you haven't figured this out yet, if this is a rhombus, these would also be the same. 8 and 8, it's always going to be true. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And so 0.5 times diagonal 1, 14, times diagonal 2, 16. And we get 112. It'll be meters squared. Number 6, diagonal 1, 12, diagonal 2, 18. So 1/2 times 12 times 18. And so 0.5 times 12 times 18 is 108. And it's centimeters, so it'd be centimeters squared. All right, the next 3 questions I'm going to do in a separate video. If you're not for sure what to do, at least take a look at them first before you watch the video for the next 3 questions. Just look at them, see if you can figure out what to do. If you can't, that's okay. You've got a video to watch, but just see if you can figure out what to do. And try those next 3 questions, number 7, 8, and 9.